they write in many language. Gefahr is Deutsch, danger, English, pericolo, Spanish. Oh, let's see this dangerous road here. What? Why is so dangerous? Maybe because very nice landscape here. Means bridge 188 meters length. Here only for trucks is that speed limit 50. The cars I think can drive it 80. The trucks have 50 kilometers per hour. Yeah, because it's a sloppy road and it's decreasing 8 degrees, and when I drive too fast and I have 25 tons load and I try to put the brake very fast, I cannot make it. So this is why I think that 50 speed limit is finished. Now I can drive as fast as we can. 20 kilometers I have the exit for my first stop, but first I go to make the diesel. I will fill up. It's almost half, so I have to put 100 liter, I think. Overtakes band 619. This is my line assistant. When I cross over the line,